Hey there, welcome to the $100 billion insurance restoration industry. Hail, tornadoes, hurricanes, fire, and flood. It's a $100 billion industry. Contractors are starting to realize that they need a specific set of tools in their arsenal to help their customers rebuild, deal with insurance claims, increase their sales, and make a lot of money. Look, if Mrs. Smith has damage, so does Mr. Anderson across the street. And more than likely, so does Mr. Crosby down the street, and so on and so on. So instead of just inking one deal, your mindset should be to ink them all.
I see. Maybe some other time. I'm a little bit busy right now.
Okay. Well, just so you know, it only takes 5 minutes. We're out here now. You see our trucks around the neighborhood. We're actually doing inspections up and down the street.
Wow.
If you want, honestly, it'd take 5 or 10 minutes. We'll take the photos. I'll leave you all the information. Not bother you. I know you guys are eating dinner, and I can call you back at a later time then and set up an appointment to go over it with you and your husband.
Okay, 10 minutes you said?
Yeah, 10 minutes tops.
Okay, sure, why not?
Yeah, that's a textbook hill hit right there, back of the Maddie's head. You can actually almost see to the other side. So all these kind of things go in your head as you're starting to analyze insurance paperwork. One thing that rings out, so I'm just going line item by line item. Look at our drip edge. You know, that drip edge price, I can tell because it does not say R&R. It says drip edge.
Okay, Anthony, I see that you're looking for overhead and profit on this job. It's a metal roof. It's still just a roof. We can't justify any overhead and profit on one trade.
You know, when we cut a check to that roofing sub, that metal roofing sub, do you realize that we pay 3% audit on a GL policy just by virtue of cutting that check? Do you ever feel like you need a baseball bat to collect from your customers? Do you want to get your customers motivated to pay you faster? Check out this customer summary invoice. Use your customer summary invoice to list and reinforce some of your company collection policies. There are over 15 courses currently in the SVG University. There are 12 to 15 video chapters in each course. At the end of each training video, there'll be a short test, true and false, and multiple choice questions. As long as your sales associate or key manager actually watch the video, they should be able to pass the test. You'll also find the results of that testing in your usage report and report card system on your sales associates and key managers.
This also allows for real-time tracking on their progress. As you can see right here, when you log in, you can see all the progress of your trainees, which is pretty unique. I don't know of any other training program that does this in this industry. But this guy right here, he's got 20 passed tests, 11 failed, 12 in progress, 43 total. So it's pretty cool. You can actually log in and see how you guys are doing and actually kind of identify certain areas that they might need some help with.
I wanted to tell you a little quick story while I was out here, though, that came to my mind today. 2 years ago, about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, I came out here with $70 in my name in my pocket, literally, guys. The day I got out here, I drove all night. The day I got out here from Georgia, I took Anthony Delmenico's Phase 1 training with SVG Group, and it hit it hard, guys. I hit it running. And within the 6 months, I did $1 million in sales. After that, this year, we've already over $3-4 million that me and my wife has done ourselves. And we signed up, I'm the team leader now for Sky Roofing out here in Dallas. And we signed all of our guys up with the SVG University. And we're going to implement that system. And I know it's going to help because it's great content, guys. Any of you guys think that it can't be done or you're on the verge of giving up, don't do it. We're living proof that it can happen.
Hello there, industry entrepreneurs and fellow contractors. This is Anthony Demetico, SVG founder and CEO and author of Win the Game. Some of you know my story. I started from my basement as a contractor and eventually grew it to 18 states and $173 million in sales. Over the years, I developed and perfected a specific system to recruit, train, and mobilize sales associates in order to achieve that kind of sales volume, as well as systematized training for each functional area of your business, modeled after sell, build, collect. I would like to set up a quick demo with you on a new SVGU virtual training platform, which is going to help you triple your effective sales team in the next 90 days, triple your company revenues this year, train your sales associates and key managers at lightning speed, and reduce 80% of your training time and headaches. We've enrolled 83 companies in the last 30 days alone. So what's a good time for you to demo with me and the SVG team this week? It only takes about 10 or 15 minutes. Why? Because it's time to scale your contracting business. See you soon.